Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure updates are installed and wireless is active, because current software and Bluetooth/Wi-Fi keep notifications reliable. Once done, bring devices close and open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap Pair New Watch and align the viewfinder to link them. Make sure you use the same Apple ID and accept prompts for location and notifications so the system can mirror alerts. This establishes the secure channel that lets notifications move from phone to wrist in real time. Next, you'll control which alerts show up and why. Open the Watch app and tap Notifications. You can mirror iPhone for simple parity or pick custom to toggle specific apps. On your iPhone, review each app's permission for alerts, sounds, and badges so the watch has something to mirror. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb rules aren't blocking alerts. If they are, edit Focus to allow people or apps on both devices. These steps decide what gets forwarded and when. Finish by enabling wrist detection and notification privacy so notifications appear securely on your wrist only when you're wearing the watch. Once configured, test with a few messages and app alerts to confirm delivery. If notifications still fail, restart both devices and verify Bluetooth/Wi-Fi. Make sure battery-saving modes aren't limiting background activity. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch to rebuild sync data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.